mahal ko, hindi ako magsasawang tanungin kung bakit ako ang pinili at minahal mo. Gaya na nga ng lagi nating tanong sa isa't isa, why me? Dahil hindi ako magsasawang marinig ang mga dahilan mo kung bakit ako ang pinili at minahal mo. Mahal na mahal kita.
More than the rituals or the rite that we do today, what really matters is your heart-to-heart commitment to one another, to love each other until death.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come today.
For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Not be afraid, because the Lord will be the one to give you the grace to become faithful until death.
For 1,000 years, I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer.
Joanne, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
I have loved you for 1,000 years.
Paul, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father.
And all along I believe